Oh my goodness!
You're welcome. I think I got her. Los asusté. Excuse me, sir.
Somebody left them here, baby.
Scared me. Somebody left him here.
I got you. Animal lovers.
It's not cool, man. It's not cool. We're gonna have to help him.
I know.
There goes the vacation.
Good heart. That's a good heart you got there. It's just the speaker, though. Are you okay, ma'am?
There's a guy in there. Oh my gosh!
I think I got him.
I was like, it's two, and there's something about it. There actually gets in there.
I know, good eye. You're not going to turn into a zombie one day.
She's smart. I'm retarded.
Perfect balance. Miedosas. Miedosas.
You know what they said, you be on YouTube scared people.
That's me.
I see you on YouTube.
I'm Georgia Pranksters. That's my channel.
I would watch.
Oh! Oh my God, no! No! Why did they do that? Oh shit!
That's all right. I think I scared them. Why'd you tell her? You should have brought her to me. Ay, te asusté. Chequéate los calzones.
Really?
Oh,
I think I got you. So,
One for you.
Me asustaste a mí, man.
yes, they are. In there. Oh my God. Got us.
You're welcome. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Gracias. Hi. Hi, I'm sorry. Is she okay? Aw. Your mama told me to get you. I'm sorry. Hi. Hi. I'm playing. Here, I'm gonna give you a toy. Here, pick a toy. Hey, you want a frog? You want a little frog? Here, you can have a little frog. You okay? Hi. Bye. I don't think she likes me ever again. Hi. Ay, disculpe, la asusté. Gritona. You're welcome. Hi.
Oh God!
Hi.
That's good.
I think I got him.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me? Are they really catching there?
That's the lure. You fell for my distraction. But you have a beautiful heart.
Can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, man, come on. You guys have a good one.
Are you the one that does all the videos too?
There's a whole bunch of guys, but I am on there. My channel is called Georgia Pranksters.
Okay.
Thank you, man.
All right,
Appreciate it. I'll behave. I think I got her.
Are there actual cats in here? Oh my God!
Bye!
Yeah.
Broncos.
I ain't gonna lie, you almost got a lighter.
How we going, bro? That's it. Hi!
Thank you for that.
Rah!
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi!
I really thought there was cats in here.
You're gonna turn into a zombie one day.
Maybe.
Hello.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hi. I think I got her. There's no free cats here, you know. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Oh, jeez! He's going, sir. Sir, and I'm like, what the?
I'm like, who are you screaming at?
He's screaming at me.
I can't imagine why.